Welcome to this lesson on calculus for beginners. Today, we are going to master one of the simplest yet most fundamental rules in differentiation, the constant rule. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the derivative of a constant number is 0. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what a derivative actually is. In simple terms, a derivative measures how a function changes. Geometrically, we can think of it as the slope of the curve at any specific point. If the slope is steep, the rate of change is high. If the slope is shallow, the rate of change is low. Now, let's define a constant function. A constant function is written as f of x equals c. This means that for any input value x, the output value is always the same number. For example, if f of x equals 5, it doesn't matter if x is 1, 2, or 100. The output will always be 5. Let's see what this looks like visually. If we graph the function f of x equals 3, we get a perfectly flat, horizontal line that crosses the y-axis at 3. No matter how far left or right you go along the x-axis, the height of the line never goes up or down. Now, apply the definition of a derivative, the slope. Remember that slope is defined as rise over run, or the change in y divided by the change in x. Because our line is perfectly flat, the rise is 0. It doesn't go up or down at all. Therefore, 0 divided by any run is simply 0. The slope is 0. This leads us directly to the constant rule. Since the derivative is the slope, and the slope of a constant function is 0, the derivative of any constant c with respect to x is always 0. In mathematical notation, we write d over dx of c equals 0. To solidify this, think about it in two ways. Geometrically, the graph is a horizontal line with no steepness. Conceptually, a derivative measures the rate of change. Since a constant value never changes, its speed of change is 0. It is standing still. Let's look at a few examples. What is the derivative of 7? It is 0. What about the derivative of pi? Even though pi is a symbol, it represents a fixed number, roughly 3.14, so its derivative is also 0. Finally, the derivative of negative 100 is 0. The size or sign of the constant does not matter. A common mistake for beginners is confusing constants with variables. The derivative of 5 is 0 because 5 is fixed. However, the derivative of x is 1 because x is a changing variable. Always check if you are differentiating a standalone number or a variable term. To summarize today's lesson, remember that a constant function creates a horizontal line. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. Therefore, the derivative of any constant is always 0. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.